Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Good morning. I hope you're all having a blessed day. I haven't been faithful. Sorry for we haven't been vlogging in a while, but we are back. Sorry, as you see, I got clothes hung up there. Did laundry yesterday and stuff. Yeah, this one both she just want to be in camera. As you see, I've started my morning. Well, got my rice and peas and stuff going already. So I started my cooking for dinner. I've already seasoned my meat and everything else. So
Why are you boiling water?
I'm making tea. So your girl is about to make some breakfast. I got some like hot dogs and leftover dumpling that I am gonna fry up and cook up a storm because your girl is hungry. And yeah, I just got my ginger tea, so I'm going to go do that. I have some research that I need to get done, so that is another thing that I will be doing right now. I've been so busy and I'm sorry I have not haven't been vlogging as much.
The water in that pot?
There is some, but you might need some more.
I need something hot.
So
Or something.
yeah, you're actually gonna have some tea.
Yeah.
So
Not actual
yeah,
tea. I'm
hubby
having
is
Nesquik.
out working, so he's doing his little other side job from his regular work, because we got some stuff in store, so we kind of gotta get cracking. It's that time of year, so you know you gotta stack because Christmas is coming up.
You know that's actually
Because the middle stove is usually for warming.
Yeah, I cook
For warming up stuff. So
Better
yeah.
have me.
And we've just been busy. We've been doing a lot of things behind the scenes and stuff like that. Some of that.
siren.
Yeah, and the other two kids are actually sleeping. So some of that information we might release to you guys. Yeah. So we've been so busy, guys, and it's just been crazy. And with school and everything, yeah, they're having like some strike over here, the teachers them. So right now we still don't even know if the kids them are going to school on Monday and how long it's going to be, if they're gonna go on strike, how long they're gonna decide that they're gonna hold out and do this strike for. So there's also that.
I didn't know that
Yeah, and yeah, I forgot to end the other vlog yesterday, so I am sorry about that portion. But your girl just wants some fry. You're gonna put in the oil.
Put in a dumpling? No.
Yeah, this girl, this one here, she like cooking, but she afraid of the oil.
Frauen, just make it bun me and then you are dash your pan foot and put out the
Just gonna make it bun. You know
Yes,
how
she
young,
made it
you know how young you and Giselle were when that happened. But then they fried. But both of them the fried dumpling. No, actually it was egg. They're fried.
Yes, not egg.
They were fried egg. I don't know how old were you and Giselle at that.
I was like 8.
Yeah, you guys were really young. I think
8 or
Giselle might have
7.
been 12. I don't know, 12 or 13.
How old is Giselle? I not even know.
At the time, Giselle's 15. And then in a kitchen boat, then they fry up egg
Yeah, and she was
stuff like
holding
that.
the pot like so close.
And both of them,
take you. We said no, man.
both of them afraid of the stove, but yet then they try and make food. And both of them, they burn up themselves.
I will get that little pot by. I just make food.
Oh,
You know
God,
what I mean?
not easy.
Food are food.
Okay,
I
need
won't
to.
do that because like.
You see
that?
I need a thing.
Tom,
Move
sit down,
it.
mommy.
No, it's not that. So,
Okay. Me now put them in. Me do a sausage, maybe.
what do you guys use with these stuff?
What? What do you mean you use with those stuff? For fry, when you make a fried dumpling, sometimes you use what's it called?
Oh Lord, I have my stuff here. I have the stuff too far. I have the stuff too far. Look how far I'm gonna be stretching. I should have put these stuff on the plate.
Yeah, no, I'm not close to the stuff and I'm not no money. I will make
Speak
it.
proper English, Faith.
Sorry.
Yeah, when she's home, she loves to speak in our patois and speak really bad when she
I'm sorry.
So for those that don't understand, please speak properly. The next minute people be like, what is your daughter saying? I don't understand her.
Come here, eat ya. It's gonna look a bit too
A lot of times she forgot to like to speak fluent English because we do speak patois in our house, but
Sometimes when I'm out, I'll speak it like when I'm around you.
well, yeah, when you and Rissa are around each other, you guys speak it.
Rissa was speaking with her. Rissa, bring it so come here. Yesterday she's like, give me peace and that. I'm like, no.
Go down to Memphis is good.
Memphis missed out the party and cook already yesterday.
Oh yeah, he wasn't too happy about that. Well,
It is good.
Memphis is okay. Memphis went to the mall yesterday with his friends, and he had what, a burger? Why you turn on there for? Turn on this one. Did you put more water in the stuff?
Yes, no, look a bit though. I am just going to rest them, right?
So I am just currently frying up.
Oh, okay, there.
So yeah, I'm just currently frying up my hot dogs that I'm making for breakfast. I didn't get up to make Babe some breakfast this morning because he ended up going out. I think last night, him and Ziggy. They went out. They were playing pool last night, so they're out enjoying. You can pour it in.
No, me pour it in there.
They're out enjoying themselves. And this weather here, guys, the weather has been crazy. Let me know how the weather is where you guys are. Is it really hot there, or do you find the weather to be bipolar? Because our weather,
How
one
is
day
the thing so hot and it's only on 4?
because it was on 8, and now it's on 4.
Okay. Well, you just see my girl and salmon on up morning.
Our weather has been so bipolar here in Canada. It's been
This is
cold.
hot. It feels good.
It's been cold, and then it's gone back warm, cold, warm. Yeah, so so the reason why we kind of been MIA, we have so much stuff behind the scenes going on that we're still dealing with school and everything else, and on top of
My
that,
head looks so big.
yeah, a little bit of a surprise. So yeah, guys, we are actually have a business that we are launching soon. Hopefully by the end of this year, I'm hoping to launch the website, well, by next year. So the beginning.
Next year.
So to let you guys know.
New Year's. Wait, what's
Yeah,
that?
we are planning, we have a business that we're actually launching, but we're launching the website
Why does
in
my head look so big?
January? Hopefully January. Don't quote me on that. So that's what we've been doing. We've just been really busy behind the scenes doing that and everything else. So I'm trying to get everything organized, set up.
Mom, why does my head look so big?
Because of this thing. This is why Memphis hates it. Your, what do you call it? Your
My peacock Visco girl hairstyle.
Chinese whatever.
It's my Visco girl hairstyle.
Okay, your Visco girl hairstyle right there, bring on. So
My hand hurts.
and yeah, so that's what that's the secret we've been keeping. So yeah, I'm excited about that. There's still a lot of things that I have to do. I've been making a lot of phone calls, business, a whole lot of stuff. I don't know if you guys want to see maybe a series on that, like starting up a business and stuff like that. What it takes to start up a business, the ins and outs, so how much stress you have to go through through with vendors and all that stuff, and packaging and all that stuff. So if you guys do want to see a Boss Girl series, we can actually do that. And the girls have something coming out as well. We are not 100% sure, but it's something that they wanted to do for their self. So but we're still trying to figure out the ins and outs of all of that as well. So yeah, so that's the surprise, guys, and this is why we've been so busy. Like, we've been low-key, but we've been busy behind the scenes, and it would just be a lot to be doing. So when everything is actually set in stone and the website is launched, I will let you guys know. But yeah, This is something that I actually had on my vision board for 2019. So if you actually go back in my videos, you will see some of the things that's been on my vision board have came through, and I thank God for that. And with hard work and dedication, trust me, anything that you guys put your mind to, you can do. You just gotta believe in yourself. And even when people around you don't support you, sometimes you have strangers that will support you more than your own like family and friends, and just push for what you want. So I am very excited. So we haven't shared this news with pretty much anybody, maybe a few close people. So now everyone, you guys are like the first to know before even a lot of our family members and everything else. So now you guys all know. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, and dreams do happen, and it's not going to be easy because being an entrepreneur, having your own business, it's a lot of work and dedication, right? Just like people think that, oh, vlogging is so easy, you just pick up a camera and vlog. Trust me, it ain't easy, and there's a lot that goes into vlogging and being a YouTuber, and people don't understand. Like some days you don't even feel like doing anything, and when you find that you're not getting the support as you're getting, and you see people watching the videos but people are not subscribing, and they continue come back on and they watch the video but yet they don't subscribe. So hit that subscribe button, and support your girl. And for those who are watching, if you guys do have a channel, I love watching and checking out new channels. So you guys could also link your channel in the comment your channel below, and I will also go and watch and subscribe to your channel as well.
Banana?
Right? And this one. So yeah, so I'm just right now, I'm currently finished frying up my food. So I'm gonna come back when I'm finished cooking, and yeah, finished frying up my food, my breakfast, and ready to eat.
Yay, food!
Your girl has finished, and there is not my alone. There is my breakfast, and I got my ginger tea. I got my laptop here because I got some work I need to do and some more research I gotta get done. I have a couple of assignments that I gotta get done, and midterms coming up, so your girl's gotta start studying. Well, I already did start studying, but I also have to make sure I'm getting my assignments done and stuff like that on time. So that is what your girl has been doing. So yeah, guys, so that has been our little secret, our little surprise that we've been holding down. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. So if you're not seeing vlogs coming up regularly, you know why. Because for me to be doing school, like taking care of the house and everything, making sure the kids them are doing good, their school is doing good, like appointments, everything else, it's a lot. And on top of that, trying to get your business up and running and out there, right? And yeah, just like I said, like if you have a dream, believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, nobody else won't believe in you. And for me, I've always believed in myself, and I know anything I put my hand to becomes gold. Literally. No, I've always believed that anything I touch has always been like a blessing. No matter how much people in life fight me down, you know who you are, because I know you watch my videos. I must say I am quite blessed. I'm blessed to have my family. I am blessed to have the love and support that I have from everyone that's behind the screen that watches. Yeah, and I just want to say thank you guys, and thank you to all the new subscribers for subscribing. I see you. Yeah, drop me some comments, drop a like on the video. I love to interact with you guys, so please let us know what type of videos you guys want to see. And yes, the pranks are out of the question, so there's be no prank. Me and my husband, we're not into all of that stuff. you know. Yeah, other channels are doing it so they can get more rating and stuff like that. I don't want to do that. We started this channel for basically like showcasing our life for our kids to look back at when we were younger. God forbid, knock on wood, something was to happen to me. My kids them would be, yes, they have a lot of photos, but at the end of the day, yeah, they say a photo say 1,000 words, but I believe a video says even more, because then my kids get to see how I was, like how I spoke, how I act, and all that stuff. And that's something that they will always have. And this is the whole reason why we decided to start a family channel. Just why I even decided to start a channel in the first place, just so I could go back and look, because sometimes we sit here and we actually go back and we actually watch the videos that I had from like what, a year back or stuff like that. And I wish that when I was vlogging before, because I had another challenge before this, I had stuck to it, and I didn't, because of certain mishaps and people, you know, you get discouraged and then you took everything down that you started. But at the end of the day, I decided, like, you know what, I do not care. This is my life and this is how I choose to live my life. And at the end of the day, you have to live for you. You cannot live for nobody else, right? You cannot live for your parents, no matter how much your parents want you to be with a certain somebody and don't want you to be with somebody else. At the end of the day, it's your life and you got to live for you and make your mistakes, right? Because that's how you learn. Everybody else, and some of you, y'all need to stop listening to what people tell you. Stop listening to what people say and dictate your life. Yeah, some of you really do. You have some people out there that you let people dictate your life and tell you what to do. No. And sometimes those same people that are dictating your life and tell you what to do, they have a whole lot of skeletons in their closet that they need to go through and be praying about it. So yeah, I've always been a free-spirited person, a happy person, and I love vlogging. I enjoy this, and like my kids them love it too, because they love to go back and sit and watch their video, like watch the videos and stuff. And they're like, oh mom, remember when we did this, when we did that, like look, you know. So I love that they're able to even go back and they reminisce, but we also get to go back and sit and watch the videos as a family. And for those who do want to start a channel, get out there and do it. Don't let, because oh, you're afraid that nobody's not going to watch and nobody's not going to like the videos and stuff like that. At the end of the day, everybody that's been on here was doing the same thing. Everybody was afraid and stuff like that. But some people just have the guts and the balls just to do it. So, you know, and at the end of the day, just know that I'm not going to let nobody discourage me and stop me from doing what I am doing, right? Just like when it came to certain things pertaining to ideas that I've had, business adventures that I wanted to do and started. And people like said certain things and they're like, oh no, don't do this and don't do that. And I was like, you know what? At the end of the day, I dance to my own tune, and I always will. And that's a part of my personality. Like if I make a mistake in life, yes, let me be able to make that mistake in life. But enough with that. That's just a little quick advice for those that are out there and you guys are watching, pertaining to whether it's making a video, open up your own business, just anything in life. Because in everything you do, there's trial and error in life, right? And a lot of those people that are wealthy and that are successful in life, they've went through the same thing that some of us lower people, well, I don't consider myself low. Some of us people are trying to get on that type of level. You have some discouragement, you might have some setbacks and failures, but you know, 7-time fall, 7-time rise, right? So, and I live by that, you know, there's trial and error in everything that you do, and you just keep pushing, push for what you want. I didn't get to where I am in life, and I'm not even close to where I want in life by like failure. I've gone through things. I could do some story times and tell you guys about what I have been through in life. Some things that I went through when I was younger, some things that I've been through, still gone through. that before I even started vlogging, and still go through during the vlogging, and you guys would be like, wow, like how did you manage that? I could write a book about my life, some things that I've been through. Some people that behind the scenes sit there and talk a whole bunch of crap, and at the end of the day they need to look at their life before you go out and start to want to judge people. Look at your life and think about your life and how your life is before you go out and start making your remarks, and want to implement some things. But at the end of the day, you will always have people like that. You just gotta pray for them. And really, when I mean pray for them, pray for them. But your girl is about to go eat some breakfast and do some research. If anything, I will be back later. Oh, I'm just taking out my last bit of fried yams. Yeah, you ever had fried yams? They're actually good. I love the way they taste when they're fried. They're so good. So that is what your girl is about to do right now. Let me shut off this light. It's raining outside. See the thing? So it's so dark. But yeah, and Thanksgiving weekend is pretty much here, guys. It's here. So yeah, I will tune in later. We're about to eat dinner just now and watch a movie. Don't mind my crazy hair. Oh my gosh. And we are waiting for the results to find out if tomorrow there's going to be a strike in Toronto, because the teachers they're protesting, but we won't know tonight until midnight tonight whether they're protesting or not. So I'm just waiting for hubby to come down. He just got home from work not too long ago, so he just finished showering and stuff. So we're about to eat and watch a movie. We're not doing much for the day. Your girl's exhausted. Still been here working on my assignment.
You said your hair's crazy. Look at mine.
So that is what we're about to do. You're going to your bed? Oh yeah. Well, I will tell us if later at night they're flirtatious.
Where you got flirtatious?
Huh? I get a vant out at night. So yeah.
No.
These two are worse than these two come in like an old married couple. You would think that these two are together. The way they oh my god, they are so disgusting. But yeah, guys, so we're about to end the video there. Are you gonna say hi, Mr. Williams? Nobody hasn't seen you in the vlog all day. All day. They haven't seen you in the vlog. Here. You're still not here.
Okay, then where?
You're so disgusting. And sorry for the lighting. The light is off. It's just I don't want to open up the blinds. You guys are so disgusting. So yeah, he's about to dig in.
Dad, that was
I will talk to you.
That
is my dinner.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and